Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep channel. My name is Pavan and I am the product manager of CLAT here at Abhyaas. As you have seen in the website of Consortium of NLUs, they have released the application form filling for CLAT 2023. This time 22 national law universities are participating and these are using CLAT score for admission into 5-year integrated LLB and LLM programs. Okay, so before participating in the application form, you have to register for the CLAT 2023 website. So click on register here. It will ask you your name, mobile number, pick a password, then click on register. You will get an OTP, and if you submit the OTP, and click on activate, then it says account is activated. Now I can use my account and the password which I have given and log in into the website. Then you can see here, welcome to Pavan for the CLAT 2023 application process. Here candidates are advised to check they fulfill eligibility criteria, marks and other requirements for seat and reservation categories as stipulated by CLAT rules and respective NLUs. Okay. Next, only submission of CLAT 2023 application does not confer any candidate an admission into NLU. Okay. Only application doesn't give you a right to admission. It is submit to verification of documents, qualifications, score and rank and other things. Okay. So please revise those steps once again. And you can see here, do you want to apply for 5-year LLB or 1-year LLM program? So you will click on 5-year LLB program. Next, you can see the important events here. 8th August 2022, that is today, applications are open, and September 2022, release of first sample question set. 14th October, second sample question set. Last date for receiving applications is 13th November 2022 and the exam is on 18th December 2022. So now I am going to discuss with you about only UG program. So application, click on that one. After selecting UG program, you have selected to apply for undergraduate course. Please confirm. Yes, okay. Now this is going to ask you about a photograph, signature of the applicant, applicant name, date of birth. Okay, let's fill them. Applicant name, it is asking you whether you want to apply for NRI reservation category. If you are having it, click on yes, otherwise no. Next, select all India category. If you are having any caste, select those or else select general. Next, do you want to qualify under the person with disability category? If you are having any certificate of PWD, click on that one or else no. Next, gender, male, father's name, nationality, Indian. Do you want to apply for NRA sponsored category? No. Do you want to qualify under the EWS category? No. If you are having it, click on yes. Do you want to qualify under below poverty line category? No. If you are having any of those certificates, or in future if you are applying for any of those, please click on yes. Next page. Communication details. You can click your address. Next, state, district, pin code, permanent address. You can also type your permanent address and corresponding address here. Next, state, pin code, alternate contact number. Next is asking you qualifying exam. 10 plus 2, whichever it is, arts, commerce, humanities, science, others. I am selecting arts. Board, university. Appearing or passed already. If you are a graduate of 12th, you have to write it there, or if you are writing 12th exam this year in the March, then you have to keep appearing. Next, select month of passing. So I'll take it as passed. Year of passing 2022. Percentage. See here, if you are appearing for LLB exam in 2023, enter as appeared, month of passing as June. So I will select June. If you are keeping here appeared, then you have to select month as June, year of passing as 22, and percentage as 95. Or else if you are selecting as passed, you can fill the percentage and then year of passing as 22, and then go to next page. Next, test center preference. You have to carefully check all the available options here. I will choose whatever are nearest to me. Don't follow this application form blindly. Select whichever are nearer to you. Now I am taking Hyderabad, Kurnool, Vijayawada. Next, it is asking me about the photograph also. Photograph and signature of the applicant. So I will upload my photograph here also. So here is my photograph. I'm clicking it such a way that entire photo comes into the page, then submit. Do you want to upload the selected image? Okay. And next, signature. So they are uploaded successfully. And next, I've already applied everything. Here I haven't selected district. Next, reservation. Are you a Karnataka student? No. Are you a student of Telangana? Yes. So we have a domicile thing for our state. Okay. So it will ask you separately whether you belong to which state. Are you domicile of Madhya Pradesh? No. Domicile of West Bengal? No. It is asking also you the caste of which you belong to in Telangana. If you are having anything, select them, or else no need. Next, are you domicile of Gujarat? No. Click other things as no if you are not being domicile of any other state. I am not a domicile of any other state, so I am selecting no in each and every one. Also check the boxes here. If you are being in any of these boxes, please select that also. So I have completed selecting these whether I am a domicile or not. Now it is saying in case of NRI, PIO, OCI sponsored categories, candidates will be allotted a CLAT rank. They will not be included in seat allocation process for these categories. Candidates will have to directly approach the respective NLU for their ranks and admission. Okay, they will have to directly approach the NLUs. Next, I do hereby confirm all the details of the application form and are true. Next, I do hereby select consent, okay, that my details may be shared with any other third party. Okay, you are giving the permission for them. So next, after that, click on submit form. Now it is asking you eligible reservation category. Are you eligible in any of these? No, right? So submit them. So I haven't filled Maharashtra, so it is showing these two. No. Then click on submit form. Please confirm your action. Okay. So I have submitted my application form. After application form submission, if there are any edits, you can do it here. And if you want to delete application, you can click here. And if you want to make payment, you can click here. So after application form submission, what is the immediate thing you have to do? You have to note down your application number. Okay, you have to note down your application number. You have to check which program you applied for, UG CLAT, and next check your name and other details and then make payment. If there are any other corrections to be made, click on edit application form. After checking each and every line, then go to make payment. How much is the application fee? 4,000. Do you want previous year question papers? Yes. Then it is 4,500. Then click on confirm payment. Confirm your action. Okay. So you will go into a payment gateway. Total amount how much? 4,500. I'm clicking on pay now. So it is asking you the email ID. Don't fake email ID. All the communication will go through it. So check your correct email ID before giving it. So it is asking you Paytm or PhonePe. Click on that. Click on the UPI ID, or you can also do your card payment or net banking. So this is about the payment detail. One payment is confirmed, your application process is done. Note the application number. So this is about how to fill the CLAT application form. And next, if you want to check eligibility and other details, you can go there, click on consortium, CLAT 2023 undergraduate. See here, syllabus and guide, question paper format, instructions and eligibility. They will update these also. So this is about the application form filling, and I wish all the best for your CLAT 2023. There are more videos yet to come regarding how to prepare for CLAT and also other videos. So please stay tuned to our channel. For that one, like, share and subscribe our video and subscribe to our channel. And please feel free to comment anything if you notice, and we are happy to help you out. So thank you one and all.